everybody out there in the YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a very simple vegetarian meal called bean sprouts tofu. Here are the ingredients: diced tofu, some bean sprouts, 3 cloves of garlic, 8 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and some salt and pepper. First of all, we add some sesame oil in the pan. And then we add some garlic. And then we turn on the burner to medium heat. And we stir fry the garlic. Next, we throw in the bean sprouts. And we continue with the stir fry process. Here we keep on stir frying until all the bean sprouts wilt. Next, we add some water. And we throw in the diced tofus. And we add some salt and pepper. And some 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Next, you bring it up to boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low setting and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and that's it. There you have it, guys. A very simple, inexpensive, soupy and filling vegetarian food for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.